with a positive mindset and strive to make the best of every moment. A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present out here. Today, I, Trisha Grover,
and I, T.R. Swami,
we welcome you all on the behalf of our class 8th U with the annual function on the topic, Our Human Resources.
People are nation's greatest resources. Nature's bounty becomes significant only when people find it useful. It is people with the demands and abilities that turn them into resources.
The Government of India has a Ministry of Human Resource Development. This ministry was created in 1985 with an aim to improve people's skills. This just shows how important people are as a resource for the country.
Before we move into assembly, now it's time to take a pledge. So please stand up and take your positions. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. Oh God, I offer you, my studies, thoughts, words, and actions, of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
One positive thought in the morning can change the whole day. So now I would like to call Vikramaditya for the thought of the day.
Human resources are like natural resources. They are often buried deep. You have to go looking for them. They are not just lying around on the surface. You have to create the circumstances where they show themselves. I repeat my thought. Human resources are like natural resources. They are often buried deep. You have to go looking for them. They are not just lying around on the surface. You have to create the circumstances where they show themselves. Thank you.
Drama enhances verbal and non-verbal expressions of ideas. It improves voice projection and fluency in language. Now some students of our class are going to present a skit. As we gather here today, let's take a moment to appreciate the vital role that human resources play in our school management. This is through their dedication and expertise that our school operates smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin with the head of our school, our Honorable MD Sir. His role in school management involves overseeing the overall operations and administration of the school.
So next we have our respected principal ma'am. She is responsible for the overall management of the school. Now let's move to the directors. The directors oversee the broader vision and strategic plan of the school.
Next we have our coordinators who ensure that all departments work together efficiently.
Now we have our human resource manager who ensures that all classes and activities scheduled efficiently without any conflicts.
Next we have liaison officer who facilitate communication and collaboration between departments and organizations. Now let's move to the dedicated teachers who inspire and guide the students every day.
Now let's see through an example of what could happen if any of these human resources is not there for a moment.
Scene 1. Adam officer receives a leave application of a teacher, Mr. Sharma, who teaches Hindi in class. Adam officer calls human resource manager.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Mr. Sharma is on leave for 2 days due to an emergency.
Okay, sir. I will manage his classes for 2 days.
Scene 2. Next day, Mr. Sharma is on leave. Floor supervisor enters the classroom where students are sitting idle and talking to each other.
Why are you making noise? Whose period is this?
Ma'am, it's our Hindi period, but no one has come yet.
At that moment, Miss Priya enters.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I am late by 5 minutes.
Ma'am, these 5 minutes can cost us too much. Please be on time. The student should not be left unattended.
Okay, ma'am, I will take care. Scene 3. Floor supervisor reports back to the principal for the smooth functioning of the school. Parents are sitting in the principal office while floor supervisor reports.
Parents appreciate the school management and overall function.
I am impressed how your staff handled the situation. Thank you, ma'am, and the entire school management for creating a sporting environment for our children to grow and learn.
Thank you, ma'am. We work together as a team to ensure that our students' education is uninterrupted. And thus, everyone realizes the importance of the human resource. Proper planning and communication are the keys to a smooth functioning of any organization. Thank you. Group discussion helps students to represent their views. It not only increases the confidence of students, but also enhances their communication. Now, it's time for group discussion.
Are the things that are useful or valuable to people and can be used to fulfill their needs. They are categorized as natural resources and human resources. Natural resources are the resources that come from nature, such as water, trees, and minerals. Human resources. These are the people and their knowledge, skill and abilities. They are valuable because people can create, innovate and improve processes and products. Dit and Vrinda, can you explain me that why human resources are called ultimate resources?
Human resources like manpower resources like engineers, doctors, teachers, farmers, etc. who after education and training become capable to modify natural resources to make new resources out of them, which are known as human-made resources such as hospitals, buildings and many more.
Human resources can grow and improve over time. People use their skills and knowledge to innovate, solve problems, drive economic and social growth, making them the most important and ultimate resource.
How do these professionals impact nation development? These professionals are responsible for growth of our nation through various aspects. Engineers design and build infrastructure such as roads, bridges and buildings which are fundamental for economic activities and connectivity.
The farmers are crucial for providing the food supply necessary for a nation's population. The teachers educate future generation, equipping them with their knowledge and skill needed for various professions. Doctors and healthcare workers provide essential healthcare service, improving public health and increasing life expectancy.
Scientists and researchers conduct research that lead to new knowledge, innovations and technologies.
Tejasvi, would you tell, are the human resources distributed equally or unequally over the earth?
Yes, just like every other resource, human resources are distributed unequally on the earth because human resources arise from the population of human beings and population distribution is not uniform across the globe. Some areas are densely populated while others are sparsely populated. The size, composition and the distribution of population significantly impact the availability and quality of human resources.
Vansh and Vishwas, would you tell what is meant by distribution of population?
The way in which people are spread across the Earth's surface is known as pattern of population distribution. More than 90% of world population lives in about 10% of land surface. The distribution of population in the world is extremely uneven.
Some areas are very crowded and some are sparsely populated. The crowded areas are South and Southeast Asia, Europe and Northeastern North America. Almost 3/4 of the world's people live in just two continents, Asia and Africa. 60% of the world's people live in just 10 countries.
Tanishka, Yogesh and Yuvraj, can you tell me that which factors influence population distribution?
Yes, geographical factors and human factors affect population distribution. Geographical factors include topography, which refers to the surface feature of an area. Example, plain land and favorable environment are suitable for both agriculture and setting up of industries. So plain lands are more populated as compared to hilly areas.
Climate. The areas having moderate temperature and rainfall are more populated as compared to very hot and very cold areas like Sahara Desert and Antarctica are sparsely populated. These factors are also important for crops and plants.
Human factor. These are socio-cultural and political factors. A place with better housing, education and health services will have more population. The size and distribution of population will directly influence the pool of human resources available for healthcare, education and industry.
Tejal and Yogita, how composition of population affect human resources?
A population composition of an area has many components like age, gender, literacy level, health condition and life expectancy. A population country with a larger number of young people likely to have more workforce, economic growth and innovation as compared to the country having less population of youth. Any
country or population with better healthcare facilities available will ensure better conditions and life expectancy of the people. Thus, it will favor greater number of human resources. A population with greater literacy rate is more likely to have greater number of doctors, engineers, industrialists, and other skilled workers. An educated society also has a better insight of human resources development.
In conclusion, our discussion has shed light on the intricate relationship between population dynamics and human resources. We have explored how factors such as population growth, distribution, age structure, social and cultural factors influence the availability and utilization of human resources in various contexts.
Can be an effective way to manage stress and promote relaxation. Now, Tanishka Yadav of our class is going to present an English song.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I still mess up, but I just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground. I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. Look how far you've come. You fill your heart with love. Baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up. Don't need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. I won't give up. No, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up. No, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail.
Thank you. Dance refreshes your mind, makes you confident and kills negativity in you. Now, some of my friends are going to present a beautiful classical dance performance.
impact on social and emotional learning of children. So some students of my class are coming to recite a Hindi poem.
मन हार कर लौट आने को चाहे, जीत भी तुम्हें हराने को चाहे। जब मन हार कर लौट आने को चाहे, जीत भी तुम्हें हराने को चाहे, तो अपने आप से गुजारिश करके तो देखो, एक आखिरी कोशिश करके तो देखो, एक आखिरी कोशिश करके तो देखो।
ऐसे हालात में किस्मत भी आपको आजमाती है, नकारात्मक सोच मंजिल की राह से भटकाती है। ऐसे हालात में किस्मत भी आपको आजमाती है, नकारात्मक सोच मंजिल की राह से भटकाती है। तो मंजिल की ओर शीश करके तो देखो, एक आखिरी कोशिश करके तो देखो, एक आखिरी कोशिश करके तो देखो।
पाने की चाह रखो बड़े ही शिद्दत से, असफलता खाएगी मात्र कठिन मेहनत से। पाने की चाह रखो बड़े ही शिद्दत से, असफलता खाएगी मात्र कठिन मेहनत से। तो एक बार ये साजिश करके तो देखो, एक आखिरी कोशिश करके तो देखो, एक आखिरी कोशिश करके तो देखो, एक आखिरी कोशिश करके तो देखो। धन्यवाद।
A poem can give us a positive opinion to start our day with hopes and inspiration. So some students of our class are here to recite an English poem.
Close your eyes and let your imagination fly away. See a picture of where you wish to be one day. Let the colors of your heart take command to paint the pictures of your dream and place it in your hand. Hold on tightly and nurture it, but allow it room to grow. When you reach your dream, open your hand and let it go. Close your eyes and search for another, caring for it as before. Never stop searching, achieving and letting go, for that's what dreams are for. Thank you.
Musical instruments are a vital part of music. These are powerful tools that can be used to create lasting memories. Now it's time for instrumental performance.
present a melodious song that will set a perfect tone for a day filled with positivity and enthusiasm. दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, महके हैं जैसे बादलों की मैं ओढ़ू चुनरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। थैंक यू।
Dance is one of the most divine art forms. It's a way to express our feelings and thoughts. So now some students of our class are going to present class group dance.